All right, now that you know what a prompt is and how to write a good one, let's actually go make a mock-up. Here's how to upload a photo into ChatGPT and run your first image, step by step. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free to start, but you'll need the Pro plan to access the AI image tool. That's the one that includes DALL-E3, which we'll be using. Once you're signed in, click on the button that says GPT-4. Make sure you're using the newer version, because that's the one that allows image uploads and gives the most realistic mockups. Now look for the little image icon next to where you type your message. Go ahead and upload your customer's photo or just a test photo of a house to start. Once it's uploaded, click into the message box and type your prompt. You can copy one of the examples from the last lesson or write your own. Then hit enter and wait about 10 to 30 seconds. ChatGPT will think for a bit and then generate your mockup. Once it appears, right-click or tap and hold to save the image to your phone or computer. That's it. You now have a clean, professional-looking mockup ready to send to a customer. In the next lesson, I'll give you a bunch of prompt templates you can copy and use for different types of jobs. Let's keep going.